So what we got here is a messy floor, my messy floor, and I'm going to be opening this. This, yeah. It's the CarThrottle Christmas box. I purchased it for Christmas. It didn't arrive in time. It's arrived today. So let's take a look at what's inside. I'll open it up first. We have a thank you for your order. You know you can now buy car parts. I know, I've already bought some. You put that there. Fragrances, I've already used one of these. It didn't smell too good. I've already had one of these in one of their monthly boxes. Black Code. Dark and mysterious with a smooth citrus sweet scent. That might smell okay. You may notice the lighting's a bit crap, but just put it with it, alright. A tamper-proof T8 to T40 folding set. Ooh, now that's useful. Ooh, a bit stiff. Yeah, can always use them. Yeah, very good. I'll have to loosen it up a bit though, because that is extremely tight, but that's useful. I'll use that at work. Let's do this. Magnetic car mount. Let's see what's... I don't really use these because I don't like the idea of using your phone behind the wheel, so I never have my phone out. I make sure it's always away enough, as everybody should. So you've got the magnet for the back of the device, and then you've got the thing that... Let's see how magnetic it is. Oh, that's very magnetic. Bloody hell! I may find a use for that. Maybe. I don't like the idea of sticking something magnetic to the back of my phone either. I assume this is what this is marketed for. Yeah, I just don't like the idea of them. I don't like the idea of having your phone out while you're driving, because it's illegal, dangerous, and you're fucking stupid for using your phone behind the wheel of a car. And yeah, I don't really use my phone behind the wheel. I got a little CarThrottle sticker, and I'll actually stick that on one of the cars. Let's get this out. What is this? A petrol scented candle. Is that petrol? That smells good. That actually smells like petrol. That's good. That is very good. Oh, that does smell good. Petrol scented candle. I'm glad they sent me this one and not a diesel one. Man, that smells good. T-shirts. Ooh, we got an E30 M3 T-shirt in white. Very nice. And a black one with... What's that, a Supra? Yeah, a Supra on it. That's pretty cool. Anything else in the bottom of the box? Just a bit of packaging, which I will also use. And a snazzy box that I can use for shipping things to other people. So yes, we have a couple of t-shirts, an E30 M3 and a Supra t-shirt, a magnetic car mount, a very lovely smelling petrol scented candle, the Torx screwdriver folding set, that sticker, a fragrance thing, and that's the £35 Christmas box set from CarThrottle. Not sure if they're still doing them, but if they are, you can get them at CarThrottleShop. I think it's .com. Shop I don't know. Shop.carthrottle.com or CarThrottleShop.com. You'll find it. Just CarThrottle.com. You'll find it. Oh, yep, that's it. Done now.